Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I decided to continue with my Essence Gel Nail Polish collection swatches. I have done a full video on all of the 45 new shades if you're interested in that, but I've had some recommendations or requests for videos to do it section wise. So I have already shared more in-depth video, swatches, review and so on the sheer polishes, in which I applied 1 coat, 2 coats and 3 coats to see what they're actually capable of, how well they build up and so on. And I have shared my pink shades as well. But for today I decided to do the nude colors. So yeah, you can actually see which one floats your boat, which one will suit your skin tone. And let's just start off with the first one. This one is number 6, Happily Ever After. This one is more of those pearlescent kind of nude colors. They always remind me of my aunt. She used to wear colors like these all the time, especially the pearlescent ones. This one actually isn't bad. I felt like, okay, it is streaky because of the pearlescent pigment in there, but it wasn't too bad, I feel like. And it was actually quite opaque within the first coat already. But for the sake of the video and not to make it super long or super short, I'm just going to do 2 coats for each and every single one of the colors that I'm sharing today. And here, the second coat, it is completely, or not 100%, I'd say 95% opaque. I actually like the fact that my natural smile line just peeks through very, very minimal still. But yeah, I don't hate this one. It is a little bit more on the cooler side of color tone, if you know what I mean. Sometimes colors like these tend to be a little bit too warm and they just don't suit me that well. So yeah, I really like that one, to be honest. The next one is number 30. This one is called Nude to Know. I actually really like the formula of the Essence polishes. I have had some comments saying that there are a lot of similar colors in this collection compared with their previous collection that they had for a couple of years, and that is correct. They have actually revamped and updated the formula of those polishes, and they have given them new names, so you actually know that these are the newer ones and not exactly the same as the older collection versions, if you know what I mean. So they have actually updated their formula as well. They haven't been bad in previous collections, I feel like, but I really love how they have updated their formulas for now, because they are really good. There are a lot of colors in the entire gel nail polish collection that are actually one coaters. Definitely check out the full on 45 color review video if you haven't seen that one yet, because it is super neat to see which ones are actually opaque within one coat, and there were a ton, seriously. Next up is number 43. This one is Sweet and Satin, and I chose this one even though it is a little bit more dark, but just because I am a pale girl, that doesn't mean I'm the only skin type or skin color in the world. So I decided to add some darker nudes as well as some shimmery ones, because not everyone loves an creamy color or a pearlescent one, you know. I just tried to switch it up a little bit, because this is more of a golden colored nude on me, this will be a perfect nude for someone with a way darker skin tone than me. So yeah, I just try to be as inclusive as possible, even though I only have my own hands to work on. But you know the deal. You can definitely see that this one is really nicely opaque within 2 coats. It has a beautiful silver but also a golden kind of champagne-y vibe going on in there. It's really nice. Usually I don't wear these colors this often, but if you are looking for a nice nude for for example a wedding you have to attend or something, that one is a really nice one. Oh, and for the record, if you're like Femke, what the hell is going on with your voice? Aeon brought home yet another cold virus. So I have a really bad cold once again. My nose is so stuffed. It is insane. I'm trying to spray it with those nose sprays, the regular salty ones, every hour, but it just doesn't help. It helps for like 5 seconds and then it's like bleh, stuffed up again. So that's why I sound a little different. But yeah, I just have to deal with it as a mom of 2 little boys. And you know, if they go to daycare or school, you know what I'm talking about. Like there's a virus like every couple of weeks, and I've just been really happy that I didn't had anything for the last 6 weeks, and now it's back again. So yeah, I have to like count my blessings that I was cold free for a couple of weeks. But yeah, let's just continue with this color because I'm already done swatching this one. This one is number 37, always on taupe. It's a little bit of a lighter nude on the brownish kind of side, but it's not that bad. I actually really like that one. And yeah, I don't know, there's something about this one that's just suiting me really well. I like it. Usually I'm into bright colors. I don't wear nudes that often, but if I will wear one, it would definitely be the always on taupe one. To finish off this video, I decided to add 2 like dusty, rosy, nudie kind of colors. The Final Rose is one of those. This is one of my all-time favorite super wearable colors. It is a beautiful dusty rose. It's a little bit on the lighter side, like the 6th and final polish that I will be sharing after this one is more dark, more like poof in your face. This one is a little bit more toned down, a little lighter. I actually really like it. I know that colors like these and the next one as well will suit pretty much every single skin tone. Doesn't matter how light, how pale, how dark, it really doesn't matter. It suits seriously everyone. So if you are looking for a really nice wearable muted rosy color, definitely check out this one. But then again, the next one is really gorgeous as well if you like them to be a little bit more bright, a little bit more dark. It's beautiful. The final color is Rosy and Cozy, and my camera had a little bit of an issue like focusing on it. I tried like 5 times like to get it in focus and it just didn't work, and the 5th time it just took a couple of seconds, so I was like, nah, I'm just going to use this footage. But yeah, as I mentioned, this one is like the darker version of the previous polish. It is very opaque. It is definitely one of my favorites as well. You can wear colors like these, yeah, like all year round. I feel like it's really beautiful, especially in fall, but not everyone like gives a crap about what season it is, depending like deciding what kind of color they want to wear. I just think it's really beautiful for fall. It matches a lot of my fall colored outfits. It's beautiful. It is super opaque. I almost didn't need that second coat, to be honest. I felt like this was definitely one of the one coaters in the Essence Gel Nail Polish collection. But yeah, I really love this one. Just a little extra information about these bottles. I don't think I mentioned it yet. These are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use if used correctly. Of course, you don't want to drink it or anything. These are €1.99 in euros, and I actually get them at my local drugstore or at Bougie Shop, which is an online store which is located super close to where I live. So support your local businesses, I'd say. I'm not sponsored or anything to mention them. I just really like the web store and like to help you guys out because I know they do ship in other countries or to other countries than just the Netherlands as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.